Raphael, engineers for many generations have been using water to level their machines. But here at Fidia, you're doing it all over again in the 21st century. Why is this?
Yes, we took a very old principle, we reinvented it somehow, and this must working on very, very long machine where we had some difficulty with lasers. And so the idea is to touch the water and use this as an absolute reference all over the machine area.
So is this on a larger machine, is this more accurate than a laser?
Yes, when we go up to 15, up to 20 meters, the whole table is very, very long, and so we had some difficulties. So this is why we try to reinvent a new thing using very old concept.
And you sell a lot of machines into different countries, a lot into China. Is this easier to transport?
Yes, it's very easy because just some vessels, and they are not so fragile. And the water, you can find water everywhere, some tubes. And then there is the sensor that maybe it's the most critical part, but it's very small, so it's easy to box in a very safe way.
And this information, it goes straight back to the CNC control, so you can know how level the machine is.
Yes, we use a feedback from a graphical for the people who is using, and then we can also have a feedback directly on compensating the machine after all the mechanical adjustment has been done.
So Industry 4.0, we all talk about it, but this is bringing old technology into the 21st century.
Yes, we are using actually the Industry 4.0 technology because everything is exchanged by Ethernet, and we can also command the machine doing this stuff through a Wi-Fi network. But at the end, the really principle is very old, yes.